Hi traders, welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. So today we are going to see again a new update in our indicators. So previously we have seen many videos related to our automation strategy, how the strategy is working on. So we are making a good accuracy strategies with fully automated. So there is no manual interruption. We are developing many strategies, and currently we are giving the access for every strategy in the same combo offer for automation strategy, as well as a separate combo offer we are providing for indicator users. So indicators means you will be just trading with the easy buy sell recommendation indicators. So you can see the previous videos we have posted ultimate update of the indicator. So these videos if you have seen, so these are all the videos you should see, then only you can understand what are all the updates we have given for our JJP money maker indicator. So this is just a buy sell recommendation indicator. So once you see with the TradingView platform, you will be applying our indicator. So our indicator will be giving you the buy sell signals to trade for bank nifty index as well as futures, and you can also see with stocks, MCX, every segments you can see. So this will be providing you a separate manual buy sell signals. So we have also provided you the trailing stop loss and target. Every methods are included with this indicator default, as well as you can also choose the strike prices through these indicators. So now currently we are going to give a new update that which will be providing only stock alerts. So currently we have created a new Telegram channel for every indicator users. We have added every indicator users in our Telegram channel. So continuously in our stock alert Telegram channel, you will be getting a HP sell. Only high probable alerts will be coming in our Telegram channel. So through that Telegram channel alerts, you will be accessing the stocks directly. So once the alert is came, you can directly go to the stocks and see the stocks, but you could not see the signal, right? So that we have given a new indicator right now currently only. So in this video I will be explaining about that indicator. So if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. I wish every traders to watch the video till the end. Surely you will be understanding how to use our stock alert indicator, and I will be explaining you what are all the conditions to take trades based on this indicator. So first of all, I have opened our stock alert Telegram channel. So this is a private Telegram channel. We have given access for every indicator users. So now you can see how the indicator alerts has been came. So now it will be showing you just like a sell which stock, as well as at which rate, as well as at which time it will be showing you. So once you are getting the alerts in our Telegram channel, at that time itself you can open the indicator in a TradingView platform. So first of all, you need to see the alerts through Telegram channel. After seeing the alert, directly you can go to that. If you are having a mobile, then surely you can see the Telegram alerts in mobile itself. And once you are getting the alert, you can directly direct to the TradingView platform with our indicator, so that you will be getting the signals of our indicator directly. So after seeing the confirmation of the signal, you can punch the order. So this is how we need to make the alert, as well as you can start trading easily with the stocks. So every stock alert, maximum we have given the stocks which is greater than 100 rupees and lesser than 1000 rupees, we have given the alerts. So every stocks will be coming with nifty future and option, as well as nifty nifty related stocks and bank nifty related stocks. Every stocks will be coming here. So daily you will be getting maximum 10 to 15 trades per day. So according to the signal, you can easily make an alerts, and whatever the signal, before we don't know, using our indicator, most of the clients has been suggested us that they could not search for a stock particularly. So that now we have given a high accuracy entries with the alerts itself. So directly now you can get access with our indicator right now itself, and you can directly join our Telegram channel for stock alert. And if you are getting a bank nifty alert also, it will be directed here. So once you see this, directly you can start trading with the stocks itself. So now I will be sharing you the screen for indicator. So now I have opened TradingView platform with the UPL stock, and 3 minutes time frame I have chosen, because our indicator JJP stocks, MCX, Nifty, Bank Nifty, HP entry, live alert. This indicator will be working only with 3 minutes time frame. So that I have opened a 3 minutes time frame here. So to include our indicator, the same procedure, go to indicators, click on invite only script, and if you scroll down, surely you will be getting our indicator JJP, stocks, MCX, Nifty, Bank Nifty, HP entry, live alert. So this is what the indicator name. So once you included our indicator, now I have opened the indicator. So this is a basic indicator which will be providing you two signals, simply buy as well as sell. So every stock alerts, once you get the alert from our telegram channel, so if you see with the telegram channel, you will be getting the alerts. So once you seen this time, in live market itself, if it is if the alert is triggering for you in 12 itself, for example, I will be saying you in UPL stock you have got a buy signal. So that what we need to do is I am just placing a replay mode here. So before the alert is coming, so once after the confirmation only alert will be coming. After seeing the alert, you just direct your chart to the UPL stock. So because we have got the alert for buy signal in UPL, so this is how the alert will be triggered. So once you open the chart directly, you will be seeing the three levels. You will be seeing the three levels included with the buy signal. So buy has been came, and we will be getting a three lines. So in this three levels, you will be seeing with three different colors, that is purple color, blue color, as well as green color. So first of all, we need to understand this purple and blue are more important levels. So once you are getting a confirmation of entries, as well as in telegram signals also, you should see whether the candle is closing above the both levels. Then only we can make that it is a best high accuracy entry, and you can place orders, because continuously you will be getting many alerts in telegram channel. So filtering, even we have made a good accuracy entries only we have given for telegram alerts, even though you should see that the signals are confirming with the levels. So in level confirmation, it should break the both levels. For buy entry, it should be closed, the candle should be closed above the both levels, purple level as well as blue level. So once you are getting the confirmation here, then surely you can make an entry here itself. So now it is confirmed that after the candle close only you should confirm, and in this 1220 12 candle, the candle is closed above. So this is a big confirmation that you are going to take the entry here, as well as you should see the stop loss. So first of all, before placing the stop loss, you should see that these two levels are far away. So sometimes this is not that much far away, because the two levels are having a small gap only. So that this is a good confirmation entry. If the two levels are more far away, then it seems the market is sideways for that particular stocks or whatever the segment you are using. You should see whether the two levels are nearest. So now it's not that much far away. So if you are seeing that if one level is here and another level is here, then you should be more patient that that stock will not be giving a good movement for you. If the levels are more nearest to each other, then only the movement will be good for each and every stocks. So once you are getting the confirmation that candle is closing above the both levels, and you are seeing the levels are nearest to each other, then you are going to place this order. It's a perfect entry. And for fixing the stop loss, you can fix with swing low. Otherwise, the what is the level which is below? So now the blue level is below, so that I am just placing the stop loss below this blue level, as well as the swing low is here, so we can place the stop loss here. So almost 767 is your stop loss. So you should calculate from this entry, this is our stop loss. So 3.30 rupees is a stop loss, that is 0.43 here. So as per every stocks, it will be varying, the stop loss will be varied. So now our target level is our green level. Whenever you are seeing the green level is far away from your entry point, then the target is more, then only you can go for a good accuracy entry. If the green level is nearest to your entry point, then mostly avoid the trades. You can also go to the trades and do a small scalp, but avoiding that type of trades is good, and the professional trader will be avoiding. Only they will be taking the high accuracy entries. So if you want to work like a professional trader, then you just see every alerts and perfectly maintain what is the stock which is giving the target more far away. So the screen level is more far away, so surely you can go for this entry. Almost 0.87 is your target. 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, there is a reward ratio, as well as you can go for it perfectly. So you can see how it has worked. sometimes this level will be updated. Sometimes according to the market movement, this level will be updated. So perfectly you can go for entry, and till you can wait till the target of this level. So perfectly the target has been met. So according to this you can easily use our indicator. And another one thing you should see is, you should see whether the candle is, once you are getting the alert, you will be getting after the each and every 15 minutes candle. So we need to make a confirmation that the candles are closing after a 15 minutes candle, then only we can go for entry. If you see a 15 minutes candle will be closing in after 9:15, it will be closing in 9:30. For example, 9:15 is the first candle for every time frame.
So after 5 candles of 3 minutes only,
15
minutes.
minutes candle will be closing. So like this, you should see whether the signal is
After 5 candles closing, then it is a
then you should make the entry as more accuracy. So then only the confirmation of the buy entry is more accurate, because we have developed this strategy based on the higher time frame, 15 minutes time frame. So that only I am saying that once you are going to take any entry, you should see whether the candle is closing compared with the 15 minutes time frame close also. If the same 15 minutes time frame close and this candle close is same, and it is matching with the buy signal, and it is confirming that it is greater than the level, both the levels, then surely you can go for a high accuracy buy entry, and you can place the stop loss below the lowest level. So and our target level will be green level. Surely this is how you should use our indicator. As well as if you want to fix any alerts by your own, rather than our telegram alerts, if you want to fix any alerts with your stock watch list. So now currently we have fixed the alert for a separate watch list we have for every nifty related stocks and bank nifty related stocks. So we have fixed the alert according to our sake. So every stocks will be triggering once the confirmation is came for buy or sell signals, it will be triggered from our system to telegram bot. So in our telegram bot, it will be reflecting automatically to our telegram channel. So this is how we have designed our strategy alert. So if you want to fix a manual alert for your telegram, or otherwise if you want to fix a alert for your trading account, then surely you can go to our indicator and click on. So now you can see, once you click on the three dots of the indicator, you will be getting the add alert. So you can click on this, and now you will be getting the option any alert function, and now you can create an alert without webhook URL. So then you can create the alert for your sake. So you can create for a UPL. So this stock I'm just going to create an alert. Then you can choose the stock and you can create the alert. So this is what a separate alert you can choose for your separate watch list also. So thank you traders. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I wish now you have understood how to use our stock alert signals. So carefully you should see whether the candle is closing above the both levels and every conditions as per I said in this video. So now you can get with the high accuracy. So you can see after meeting our target, surely the market is in full trend. So it, because it is a good confirmation, every confirmation happened in this candle, so that only I have shown this example. So once you are making your trades better accuracy based on the entry itself, then you will be getting a high accuracy trades, and you will be become a professional trader in stocks trading also. So now you can get access with our indicator with the combo pack of indicators which we are providing for JJP automated moneymaker strategy, moneymaker indicator, 15 minutes time frame indicator, and 5 minutes indicator, combined with this stock alert indicator also. So this totally based on stocks, as well as you can whatever the alerts we are giving, you can see the signals in the chart. So that only we are giving this indicator with the combo pack. So now you will be getting with the combo package of the indicators. Thank you traders. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. I will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.